Goeiedag, good day. Dit is juffrou Dinda hierso en vandag gaan ons Afrikaanse woorde oefen. Today we're going to practice our Afrikaans words. So vandag se woorde hou alles in verband met my huis. So today's words is related to the theme my home. Okay. Ek gaan die woorde 2 keer sê en elke keer herhaal jy die woorde na my. I'm going to repeat the words 2 times and you're going to repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay. Bank, mat, televisie, bed, venster. Baie mooi. Well done. We're going to do it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. Bank, mat, televisie, bed, venster. Baie mooi and well done. Baie dankie en totsiens.